What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Quarter Flips. I'm Dave, and this is the third video in my $1 to new car challenge. I have already sold one of the items I put up in the last video. This right here, the Playing for Change Peace Through Music sealed CD. It sold for $11.99 about 2 days after I put it up. And so I had to go through and add the information on that sale into the spreadsheet. So let's take a look at that. Okay, so the Peace Through Music DVD sold. It sold for $11.99. Shipping on that will be $3.19, and the final value fees were $2.22. After I remove the 30%, the total sale comes to $4.60, which means with what I had left over, I've got $5.14 to spend. So with $5.14 burning a hole in my pocket, I had to go buy some new items, so I did. Look at that fantastic Pacific Northwest weather. That's that Seattle rain you hear so much about, although I'm not in Seattle anymore. I'm in Linwood. I am heading up to spend that $5. It's actually going to be $4 plus tax. I'm going to try to get 4 $1 DVDs. And to do that, I'm going to go to Everett to hit some thrift stores. Now, the one I like to hit first, the one that makes sense in the routing to hit first, is the one where I went in the last video. It's the first place I went. The problem is they open at 10. It's about 10 o'clock right now, and they just restocked last night. And when they do that, they get hordes of people in the store. Like, I don't want to deal with it. Everything I have ever found there that's been good has been after the first wave of people have gone in. So in the meantime, I'm going into a little thrift store I like to go into in Linwood where I found some great deals. I was here just about a week and a half ago, so I'm not sure how often they restock or what I'll find, but I'm going to give this a shot while I'm waiting for the wave of early buyers to get done up in Everett. Let's go in here and see what we can find. Well, nothing new since last time like I thought might be the case, but it has stopped raining. There's blue skies off in the distance, and it's probably about time to get up to the thrift store in Everett. Spot number 2, they've been open for an hour, so hopefully I'll be able to move around in there. All right, $2 spent, $2.19 total. I didn't buy DVDs. They had a couple of new DVDs, but not very much from the last time I was here. But they did have new CDs, and I got a couple of pretty cool scores. I was intending to go DVDs, but I'm gonna move into Discogs, selling on Discogs, and now start including that in the $1 to new car challenge, because these items I could not pass up. They were $1 a piece. I'll show you what they were when I get home. Spot number 3, pawn shop. Never been in this spot. I do not know how filming's gonna go. I'm gonna give it a shot. Let's go find out. And so here's the stuff I came home with. Let's go through it real quick. First off, I got these 2 CDs at the thrift store. I got a Cars Target CD. If you watched the video, you saw that. Target CDs are really cool. This is the second one I found when I've known to look for Target CDs, actually. The first one, I didn't even know I had till I got home. So really, this is the first Target CD I found and knew what I was looking at when I looked at it. They call them Target CDs because they have this white line across here and then these 2 ticks right here that make them look like a target. These were made in West Germany or Japan in like the first 5 years of when CDs were manufactured, before manufacturing ramped up in the US. So they're the early versions of CDs, and they're more sought after because of that. The other thing about them, and it's same is true with this is not a Target CD, but it is the same type of CD manufacturing. There's no Target on this one, but it was also made in West Germany. There's no exact listing for this one, so I'll have to create the listing for this one on Discogs. I did not know that when I bought it. That'll be a little more work, but I'll do that. They won't go for a ton, but between the 2 of these, I might get 25 to 30 bucks. The other thing about Target CDs is you're not gonna be able to see it here, but the tops of the CD cases do not have the little ridges. They're smooth if they're in the original CD plastic, and you wanna keep that on there if you can. It also seems more substantial. It's not like that jewel case, like easily cracking jewel case kind of material. It seems like a solid late 70s, early 80s plastic. Like, we're not gonna have any problem with the world. Let's put some plastic on that thing. So these are cool. Not the plastic part, but the CD part. The other 3 things I got in pawn shops, and filming in pawn shops isn't cool. They do not seem to like it, and usually the people that work there are armed. And I don't think they're gonna like draw on me and say, hey, is that a GoPro? But I don't like it, and I'm not gonna do stuff I'm not comfortable doing. So for the most part, you're not gonna see me in a lot of pawn shops. Maybe in like the branch pawn shops, or like a franchise, but kind of like the one-offs and the mom and pops, I don't want to mess with those people. I want those people to like me and want to see me coming through the door and buying their cheap DVDs. So here's what I got with the other $3. I bought 2 more DVDs. I don't know. This Can-Am Thunder was a total risk. I do not know. It's weird. It's about racing, which people seem to like. I don't know. This one's going to be kind of like more of a wild card. I also got the BBC video version of Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. There is tons of sold comps on this, and it's all over the map. These discs are in really nice condition. I'll probably get another $11.99 on this one. Maybe $9.99. I don't know. I'll price it to sell. This one could sit for a while, but I expect it'll be in the $10 range. Also, paid $1 a piece for these. So after these, $4.40. I can't really buy another DVD. I should kind of be out the door at that point, but the pawn shop I was in had 3 VHS video cassettes. And normally that wouldn't mean anything to me, except one of them was Evil Dead 2. And it's in really nice condition. And I watched it last night, and it looks great. Just like I remember watching it in high school. The condition of the box is not bad. However, this is the 1998 release on Anchor Bay. It's not worth a ton. I'm probably going to put it up for $6.99 plus shipping. Maybe even $5.99 plus shipping. But this cost me 50 cents. 55 cents with tax. Which means I came out with, well, just under the line on what I could spend. I came out under $5. And yeah, now we're back down to just a tiny little bit. Just pennies of profit on the original buck. Not even profit. Just pennies left of the original dollar, the way I'm accounting for it. But more things working. These 5 things will be up. They will be listed and running probably before this video even comes out. And there's still 2 DVDs running. So that means now the $1 has accounted for 2 sales and 7 items. Not so bad. So one other thing that I wanted to talk about was a friend asked me the other day if they could donate some stuff to this project, to the $1 to new car project. And I said no. Because, listen, if you're one of my friends and you're nearby, or you're someone who likes these videos and you're nearby in Pacific Northwest, and we could get together, and you have stuff for me, I would love to get stuff from you. Whether you want to donate it because you were going to take it to donation, or if you have a collection that you want to sell. Listen, friends, I know a lot of you have old record collections, demo tapes, CDs, DVD collections, t-shirts, any of that stuff, just cool collectibles, any of that stuff that you've got, you're getting on, you think, am I really going to haul this stuff around anymore? I know that it happens because I'm talking to people all the time that this happens too. Talk to me. I'm not expecting you to give it to me, but I'll buy it from you, or I'll make you some kind of cool deal, and we can move that stuff. This is just what I'm doing all the time now. So yes, I would love to get your stuff. However, I'm not taking any kind of donations for this project. And the reason is because I want it to be that dollar with selling work became more dollars. And if you just had a eBay store and no YouTube channel, people wouldn't be sending you free stuff to sell in your eBay store, probably. Actually, if you were telling your friends and your family you were doing it, they'd probably kick some stuff your way. That's something that will happen. I think a lot of eBay sellers, or just online sellers, will attest to that. That once people find out you're doing it, they say, I've got stuff you could sell, which is a great benefit of doing it. But for this project, nothing free. It's going to be all stuff that I buy. And actually yesterday I got 5 VHS tapes for free at another place, and I'm not including them in because while I was out getting stuff for this deal, I didn't have to pay any money to get those. So they're just going into my regular store. That's a whole nother story. Okay, well, that's it for this update. Please like and subscribe, and if you have the ability to share this video somewhere where people that would be interested in it will see it, that would be great too. Whatever you want to do. I don't know, you can click the bell icon. I never say click the bell icon. If you wanted to do that, that'd be cool. I guess you'd hear when I had new content, like fast. Anyway, that's it. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. See you next time.